Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you are a member already, welcome. So guys, as you've seen by the title of today's video, we are going to learn how to make our eyebrows, how to do your eyebrows like a pro. This is a very detailed video, and if you have minimal eyebrows like mine, non-existent, from now henceforth you'll be able to rock your eyebrows. Guys, so for today's video we are going to use our Davis pencil in number 18. Yes, it has refused to focus, but it's okay. And our Eyebrow Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. And then our spoolie and our angled brush, or a flat brush if you have one. Yes guys, if you have non-existent eyebrows like mine, today we are going to learn how to slay. So using my spoolie, I just comb. I'll use my small mirror, it's adorable. Just comb your eyebrows upwards like that. Then using my pencil, should be really sharp. You just outline your brows following its shape. If you like big eyebrows, like thick ones, and you have small eyebrows like mine, like little eyebrows like mine, you just extend like the width at which you outline your eyebrows. But if you like thin eyebrows or not so much thick, you just follow your eyebrow pattern, I guess. And note guys, I haven't started from the beginning, and before I forget, to know like the length at which your eyebrow should be, you just do like this. So like this up to here, this is where eyebrow should start. Then up to here, this is where your arc, this is where arc should be. Hope you see like this. And then here, this is where eyebrow should end. So apparently I was right all along without measuring. So yeah guys, so for filling in, you just go with upward strokes. At the beginning, just do it lightly if you want to get that ombre effect. Shade lightly, just like that. And then I'll fill in the rest of your eyebrows, following the shape of your eyebrow hairs. You comb it through a little bit just to get to even out your eye pencil, and also to get the sparse areas. If you're not contented, just go back in to fill in. Things keep falling, so using your Eyebrow Pro Concealer,
week to do this. And then now, here using my brush. I think I'll change to this small flat brush,
Then I'll just hold it to the top. Must, if you want to be more precise and stuff like that. So you go in with your foundation, which is your shade or almost your shade. If it has a pump, you just do it a little on your hand, and then using your flat brush again, basically for your eyebrow. And then for the front part of your eyebrow, I saw this hack. You can just use an earbud or whatever this is called to just remove the excess product from the ombre effect that I want. So I'll do this other eyebrow and then I'll come back. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with also this side of my eyebrow, and I think I've done myself proud because it takes a lot of time for me to get my eyebrows done and for me to get the both of them to be the same side. But you know, as James Charles says, eyebrows aren't twins, eyebrows are sisters. So hey sisters, yeah. So thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you next time in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Shout out to you, girl. Yes guys, so I hope you've learned something, and I hope you'll be able to rock your eyebrows from now henceforth. I'm so proud of me. So guys, yes, so until next time, bye.